Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. Now today I'm actually going to introduce the sound of the week. So what we do when we're at preschool, we have a sound up every single week, the same sound for a week, so the children get used to it as well. So this week we're actually going to do the sound. So here, as you can see, I have a little pirate here. So when we're doing it, we use our pinky pointer. And children, can you get your pinky pointer out? So here we go down the plait and over the pirate's face. Down the plait and over the pirate's face. So for this week, it's the sound. So here, if I get my pen and my paper, we're going to do it here. So when you're writing, children, to see if you can write it as well. So here we go, down the plait and over the pirate's face. Down the plait and over the pirate's face. So there's my, the same is what's on here. So when you're actually done your writing that you've practiced with, see whether you can find things around the house that begins with the sound. Now, I've been in my kitchen today. I found, oh, what's this? You can see what it is. It's a potato. Also, I found a peg. Should I put it on my nose? Ow, no, that might hurt my nose. Let's not do that. Then the next thing I found as well in my cupboard, in the kitchen, I found some pasta. Also, I found some peanuts. And I found one more thing. I found a pencil. So when you're at home, see whether you can actually find anything that begins with the sound. So for one more time, we're going to go down the plait and over the pirate's face. Okay? And next week, I'll introduce another sound to you, so you'll be able to find some more things, okay? Okay, take care, stay safe, bye.